this AMC, this was just a great trade today. I had 16.13 as my level and my alert didn't go off. And frankly, I was trading so many other things that I didn't even spend the time to look at how perfect this was off this other level. And it just flipped and it went. So just understand why it's doing it. They're going to issue this dividend, this ape dividend. I forget how much it is, but I think it's like a couple bucks. But what it does do is it really is a great way to really get over on the shorts, because they're going to have to write a check to the shareholders of this company. So if they keep doing that and issuing dividends, whoever is short the stock, okay, has to come out and pay them, the long holders, which is just absolutely hysterical. So kudos to him for coming out with a brilliant strategy. I will say this about the CEO, as far as raising capital, brilliant. From free popcorn from everyone here to the ape dividend, you have to give it to them. So what do you do now? I'll tell you right now, no one is going to want to be paying the borrow on this, realizing that they have to write a 10% check on their position to somebody. No one's going to want that. You're going to be asked, what are you doing? So if you're running a book and your PM comes up to you, your portfolio manager comes up to you and asks you what you're doing, you're probably going to be like, I don't know. And you're probably going to close the position. You don't want to be this guy, right? You already know you don't want to be him. Right. So you're going to hit a point here where if you flip this, you can go again here. It was a sickly brilliant move, and quite frankly, I missed it today because I had so much else going on. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.